the channel. I know it's been a little while, but I'm back. Another little video. Recently, I went on one of the hardest hikes I've ever done in my life. It also happened to be one of the most beautiful. I went on a backpacking trip with some good friends up in the Hoover Wilderness by Mammoth, and I found with trips like this, it's really hard to document and share it with the people you want to in just photos. Some of these hikes are so breathtaking or majestic or whatever word you want to describe that just a standard iPhone photo doesn't really cut it. So I wanted to start documenting bigger trips like this through this YouTube channel and making videos to share not only my work but memories and moments with some of my best friends. So for this trip, I documented it on the Rollei 35, my favorite little film camera. It's so compact, so easy to use. The results are fantastic, and it fits right in my backpack hip pocket, which is beautiful, easily accessible. And whenever we stumble upon a beautiful scenery or anything like that, quickly pop it out, grab the shot that I want, compose it, whatever, pop it right back into my hip belt, and I'm on my way. I have another video on my channel about the Rollei 35 if you want more details about the camera. Fantastic little camera. Go check that out. That'll be linked up there. Has happened in my life in the past year or so since I uploaded my last video, but I think I want to keep this channel going to help document and share my work in a way that isn't just Instagram or anything like that, because I feel like I take all these photos, I enjoy the process of photography and composing an image, and then I don't do much with them. So I decided to revamp the YouTube channel to use as more of a portfolio to show a bit of behind the scenes of when I take every shot, a bit more of my journey through photography and with photography. So much has happened, in fact, that I actually released a photo book, which I'll be making a video about soon. But this is along the same lines of my ideas about sharing my work. I'm really bad about sharing the photos I take with other people or anything like that. So I decided this would be a very good way to permanently share my work with people that isn't something as surface level as Instagram. It's something that I put a lot of work into and poured a lot of my heart into. And I'm really proud of how it turned out, but I'll make a more dedicated video on this as well. But for now, sit back, relax, enjoy this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.